In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Deadlock not launching properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if Deadlock isn't launching, it's usually something simple like missing files, even GPU issues or Steam glitches. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. So fix number one is to verify game files. So corrupted files are a common cause. So go to your store or your library and then basically find Deadlock, and then we need to verify those game libraries. So I don't have it on this account, but I can show you using another one. So we need to go ahead and right click the game, click on the properties, go installed files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Fix number two is to restart Steam and update it. So go ahead and close it out and then go back to Steam, and then we want to go ahead and click on, and once you come back to Steam, it should automatically update as you load it up. Now, next fix is to go ahead and update your graphics card drivers. So do a search, type for device manager. Now inside device manager, we want to go ahead and expand display adapters and then look for your graphics card driver. Here it is for me, NVIDIA GeForce GTX. So I want to go ahead and click on update, search automatic for update for drivers. If there are any updates, go ahead and click on next to update your drivers. Now, next fix is to run your game as administrator. So go to your Deadlock folder, install folder, right click the .exe and run as administrator. Now, we can also clear the Steam cache. So click on your Windows key and R and type in explorer.exe space app data. And now we need to find Discord here. Here it is, Discord. And now we need to go ahead and select these three cache, code cache and GPU cache. Click on delete, and that's going to delete your cache files for Steam. Also check your antivirus and firewall, because antivirus or files may be blocking it. So you can always add Deadlock to the exclusions or even just temporarily disable antivirus to test it out. Now, next fix is to update Windows. So to update Windows, click on search, type in settings. Now we need to look for Windows Update, bottom left, and now it's going to check for updates automatically. If it doesn't, click on check for updates. If there are any updates, go ahead and install those updates.